So, I'm Pranidhi. We are here to get to know each other very well. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm really ready.
Hello, dear Numaira. How are you?
I'm really fine. And how about you?
I'm also fine.
Okay, so may I ask you a question, please?
Yeah, sure.
So, what's your full name?
Actually, my full name is Pranidhi Mojumdar. What about you?
Well, my full name is Numaira Zinan.
Okay, what does your family members call you?
Well, my family members call me by my first name, which is Numaira.
Okay, so my family members call me Nidhi or Proni lovingly.
Oh, that's a really sweet name. Okay, so where do you live, Pranidhi?
Actually, you can say I live in Chittagong in Alcorun. How about you?
Well, I live in Dhaka at Mohammadpur.
Okay, so may I know your favorite color?
Oh, sure. I like lots of color. There are cherry red, black, white, dark green. There are a lot of colors. So, what's your opinion about it?
Actually, I really like cherry red and black as white.
Those are really nice colors to love. So, what's your hobby, Pranidhi?
I really like singing, dancing, reciting, drawing, as well as gardening and also English practicing. What's your opinion?
You are really cultural with your hobbies. Well, I'm quite different from you. I like to listen to songs, draw, and also I love watching movies.
Okay, what kind of movie do you like the most?
Well, I like to watch fantasy and adventurous movies. So, what types of movies do you like?
I also like adventures and fantasy.